Hello everybody, this is Bui from Mama Bui's Kitchen. I hope you are having a great day. Today guys, on Mama Bui's menu, we are making blueberry rum fritters. So guys, let's get started. We're gonna start with the ingredients. You are going to need all-purpose flour, sugar, salt, rum, egg yolks, egg whites, blueberries, and milk. Let's get started. In a large bowl, whisk together egg yolks, milk, and rum, then set aside. In a separate bowl, stir together flour, salt, and sugar. Mix well, then add it to the egg yolk mixture. Mix just until flour is incorporated. Then set aside. Now beat egg whites until stiff but not dry. This is the consistency we are looking for, guys. Now gently fold small portion, about third of egg whites, into the batter. Do not add the egg whites all at once, guys. When you fold egg whites into a batter, it creates a light and fluffy consistency. Add in 3 batches. Next, fold in blueberries. Meanwhile, heat 1-inch oil in a large skillet. Then drop batter by spoonfuls into hot oil. Fry until golden brown, about 1.5 minutes on each side. When you fry these fritters, the blueberries will burst open, and please guys, be cautious. I love these rum blueberries fritters for breakfast, guys. They are so delicious, light and fluffy and flavorful. Next, remove from the oil and drain on paper towels. Fry the remaining batter until it's all used up. There you have it. Serve warm, sprinkle with powdered sugar or icing. I hope you enjoyed this video. I would like to remind you, please like and of course subscribe. I like hearing from you guys. Until next time, guys. Bye. Honey for my honey. Bye.